Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy, and today we'll be talking about how to get rid of dark circle, this dark under eyes, those black under eyes here. So we are going to talk about it. We are going to talk about how to get rid of those dark under eye and the cause of the dark under eyes. So today, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and with your loved ones. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget also to leave a comment below. I am happy to reply to all your messages. So we'll go into it. The real cause of dark under eye will be the lack of sleep. Maybe you're not having a good sleep, or maybe you are the type of person that always on laptop, on computers, 24/7, or you don't have a proper diet, or maybe you don't drink a lot of water. So this can actually cause a dark under eyes. So, but I have good news for you today. There's a solution for you today, which you can get rid of those dark under eyes in no time. So as we jump into it, I'm gonna just do a short video because this ingredient is super and is very simple to make, and this video is not going to take long. So what we will be needing, we are going to need potato. This is a potato which I have. So what you will do, you have to create the potato into a paste. This is the paste. I have created the potato, and we will need green tea. This is a green tea. A green tea. So we will need a green tea. So what you will do, the number one thing you will do is very simple. You peel the potato, you grate it, or you can blend it with your blender. So after you blend it, you open the green tea pack, this particular one. You open it, the green tea that is inside, you open it, you pour it with the blended potato. So it will become like this. It will become a paste. As you can see, this will become like this. So you use this, you apply it under your eyes, under your dark eyes. You just apply it. Anywhere you have dark under eyes, you apply it. Be mindful of your eyes. You don't put it inside your eyes. Only apply it under the dark part of it. So you apply it, you wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So when you wait, later you peel it off, you wash it off. So I'm gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, we are still waiting 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, that is my face. So you repeat this maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, and I believe and I bet you that this thing will work. So after you wash it off, you use coconut oil, you apply on that place, you just massage that place. So you put it under the dark place which you just finished with your potato. So you do this 2 to 3 times in a week, and those dark places, you will not see them anymore. All right guys, if you know this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved one, with your family. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. God bless you. Love you. Bye.